In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Nexo. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to scroll down and you want to select the asset you want to trade. So, as you can see here, I have some Solana under my cryptos, and I'm going to use that for this tutorial of this video. Now, you want to click on the trade button next to the asset you want to trade, and then you have a few options. You have the buy option. If you click on that, it's going to take you over here to where you can basically buy crypto from here. I do have a separate tutorial on how to buy crypto, so that's actually very simple. You can go watch that. It's much more in depth, and you can go ahead and of course select the amount and then just buy it with your card. That's basically it. Now, if I go back over here, if I scroll down again, you also have another option, which is sell. If you click on sell here, you can select how much of that asset you want to sell. So for example, if I put in 0.0 or just 0.11 Solana, it's going to tell me how much of the specific receiving asset I can get here. So I have GBPX, EuroX, or USDX. You can go ahead and of course do that, press continue here, and then you'll be able to confirm your orders. You'll be able to see the fees, and that way you can then sell your crypto. So we've now gone for buying and selling. And if you go to dashboard, you were able to see earlier that we also have a few other options. You have a recurring buy. So via this, you can basically select whenever you want to buy here, and it's basically just a normal buy order where you just have to basically set it whenever you want to purchase. So for example, you have like one time, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly over here. So that's pretty much it when it comes to that. And you also have two different options here, which are the swap. This will allow you to basically swap different currencies. So here you can swap from one currency to another. And then we also have one other feature down here. So if I let this load, there we go, which is basically boost. And in here, this is basically boosting, and this is a bit more complex. So make sure you, in case you are not like advanced, likely you won't be using this, but if you want to, you can always learn how to do this via this button down here. I'm not going to teach you right now. So that's how to basically trade on Nexo. Really, if you're trying to trade, you just need to know how to buy and sell, and that's pretty much that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.